Get a load of this one.
You know what? I might get a load of that
Get
one.
a load of this one.
You know what? That's a great suggestion.
Yeah.
Apocalypse, Dark Horse, mean-looking Ford Bronco, 6x6, 225 inches with a stretched extra axle. Oh, you need to cancel your current order, Will.
And get this beast?
Yeah.
This is more your style. This is more
So cool.
what a guy like you would drive
And it has a
around
hard
town.
top.
I mean, you can
great.
really take advantage of something like this. Enormous tire and wheel setup, and most importantly, the extra axle allowing for an extra set of tires and wheels. So now you got 6, and you create an absolute unit where they replace the bumper in the front, so you have a totally different approach angle. It looks lift. I mean, it's obviously higher up.
Mm-hmm. A little bit of a smile.
It becomes a pickup truck sort of too, because they left it as a two-row vehicle, but then there's essentially a truck bed that you get because of the extension to fit in
the other tires.
The last axle there. Mm-hmm. The team at Apocalypse Manufacturing took a new Ford Bronco and converted it into a fully functional 6-wheel drive vehicle. 6-wheel drive. So, wow. That's a lot of traction. The Dark Horse is what the company calls this mean creation because this stallion has a mean... The Dark Horse is what this company calls the mean creation because this stallion has a mean streak. But they said mean creation and mean streak.
Yeah.
In front, the Ford Bronco 6x6 features a new bumper with a light bar in the center and stacked lamps on each side. It also has some huge tow hooks. The upgraded suspension gives rig a 4.0-inch lift. Okay, so we were right about that. Let's see it with the doors off. Now, that's how you might spot Willie Do. I want you to picture him rolling. Picture him.
Those seats look nice,
Mo.
too.
Yeah, they changed the interior.
Mo.
Yeah, Will up front and Otis out back. I like it.
Picture him, Mo.
I'm excited to see Will in this.
Easy.
Will, you're doing it, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited to see Will in this.
Why you gotta do that?
You did it, not me.
Technically, you're right.
Will. Yeah, go ahead, Will. How much? I mean, I'm going to pay $200,000 for this or what? What's this thing cost?
I don't know. I'm just looking at the pictures. You say 200,000?
No,
I don't know if it's on sale.
I don't know. Well, I mean,
I don't know if they're gonna sell it.
Well, I mean, what else are they going to do with it? I presume you wouldn't go through all this work just for a one of one, would you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
They do a lot of modifications.
Oh, okay. I thought for sure that they would
show it off in car shows.
Well, if you pay them enough, they'll build it for you. Because there's there's another company that Hennessy has done. Setups in the past. Yeah, they've done lots of builds. So I just figured, oh, there you go. Here we have prices. The builds from Apocalypse Manufacturing include the Ram TRX-based Warlord for $250,000, the Jeep Gladiator-based Hellfire, doesn't say a price there.
No price.
Oh, there we go. The company said this build starts at $399.
Whoa.
Why $399 if the TRX is $250? Click on the TRX model.
Because of the extra wheel.
No, the TRX Warlord is going to have the same thing, right? Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
And that's $250. So I wonder why it's so much more complex. I guess, yeah, well.
Yeah, for double the price.
I don't know. That's a tough one. They do it, you'll see the Jeep one that they do to the Gladiator as well. But
oh, yeah, let's look at that one.
It's there. I think that, yeah, there you go. The Hellfire.
Oh, that looks like Mad Max.
Punisher.
Exactly.
It's got that Punisher front end. Will, can you park that?
No.
Are you going to be able to park that?
Well, it would be like as long as an RV or something?
Let's see. The that Sprinter that I have, I think is just under 20 feet. So not that long. I don't think you're quite that long at this point. I don't think you can live in there. You could, whatever. Do it. You can live anywhere. It's up. I mean, depending on the climate.
Right.
I think you could do winter camping in the back of any of these, Will, and you could create a YouTube channel, and it would be all types of ambience and crackling and winter camping.
Yeah, the dark horse.
Yeah,
Cool.
very cool.